It's currently 9 in the morning and I was just having my tea and I noticed that these guys were having a game outside. I think they're playing, croquet or something. It's like they're hitting hammers. It's like golf but without the holes. Here, have a look. So cool. So cool. Ruben, where are we going today?
We'll find out.
He knows what's up. I don't know what's happening.
No, we'll go to the bamboo garden first.
Okay. Do you know I regret like packing 2 hoodies?
I didn't realize it was so hot. Like, no more shirts and t-shirts.
So we're cycling down a laneway and Ruben, he wanted to show me these grapes that Japan and Korea has. So we're just here at a local supermarket just trying to find the grapes. Oh, Ruben, are those it?
No.
Oh,
I think they've been sold out. Like, you can see.
they were here. So we just parked our bikes outside and now we're heading up to the monkey park. Also, more stairs. Always more stairs. I already found a monkey. So somehow this is a mountaintop school. So cute, oh my god. We came up here for monkeys. And this is more interesting. So we just reached the peak. Got Kyoto right behind us. And of course, monkeys! Oh my god, they've got really red butts. Red ass booty. Going up. They were just having sex. So we're here out on the main street and it is hella busy out here. Just look at all the people, like legit. Absolutely full, packed, and this is November. It's like supposedly off season. So imagine coming here like during peak. That's insane. Ruben doesn't care. He's just checking out Japanese girls. Time for bamboo fact. Did you know bamboo is actually a grass?
What is it?
Yeah, bamboo is actually a grass. I don't know why I did
Do you know
that.
that grows bamboo gets raised in concrete?
What, really?
You have a bamboo plant and then you lay concrete over it.
Yeah.
It'll grow through the concrete.
Holy shit. See? Bamboo. The wonder of nature.
I get the Holy Ghost, drop a spirit every once in a while, but to be able to funk out the whole album with somebody who knows how to funk, it's too funky.
710 yen.
Massive ball. Massive.
So we just got our tickets. Look at this. That's our tickets. What? They got an ice cream machine. Häagen-Dazs. How insane is that? The thing about they have at Kinkakuji is this little hole thing. So you can see if people are throwing coins in it. We just found an awesome way to use up our 1 cents. We have way too many. Come on, Ruben. So you're trying to get it in there. Ruben just hit that pole right there. Oh, bro! It's actually the most entertaining way to waste money.
And you just want to get rid of your 1 cent coin. Yeah. Alright, keep going straight. Wait.
So once again, it's nighttime and we're visiting temples.
Oh no, there's a ticket office. We can't get in.
Is it? Is it closed? Oh wait, that bit's open. Please purchase an admission ticket here. I don't think we can. Bro. I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Let me check.
Oh my god. I'm pretty sure it's closed, man. 5 minutes?
Next minute we're getting locked in.
Wait, I don't want to be locked in. We're here to see the rock garden. So that's the main attraction here at Ryoanji Temple. I feel like this place would look much better in the daytime. Why do we always have to visit temples at night?
Because we overshoot them. You overshot like every turn.
We got to the door and it's locked, so we can't really go in.
So sad, bro.
Yeah, trust me. Trust me.
It takes like 2 hours to walk back. It's fine.
We're at Fushimi Momoyama. That train is supposed to go that direction. We jumped on thinking it would go in that direction. It actually went that way. We are not supposed to be going that direction. We're so lost. We're supposed to go on the Nara line, Keihan line, take us all the way back home. But no, he got us on 2 consecutive trains, getting us further away from where we need to be. Finally back. It's finally back. Kyoto Station. We're going back to civilization. You got us lost to fucking Momoyama.
Momoyama, don't disrespect it.